Everyone, welcome to Vaish Courses YouTube channel. I welcome you all to current update series. My name is Vaishnavi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic called the TV screen that you can taste. So this is a very interesting topic and a very interesting innovation indeed. So before starting the actual topic, let me remind you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, give your feedback in the comment box, and most importantly, share this video with your friends. Okay, this is the only source of motivation that we get from you people. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget them all. So with this note, let's start the video. So if you see the news, uh, so this is the news all about, that is, taste the TV, Japan invents leakable screen to imitate food flavors. So till now we have seen many types of TVs, many generations of televisions which have improved a lot. Like we have come through the black and white TV towards the greater innovative TV now. Okay, now the TVs which we use will get automatically connected to our mobile phones, internet. We can watch movies through OTT platforms, and we can do a lot of stuff in our TVs. Even though we have so much innovative TVs also, we are mostly addicted to mobile phones, laptops and all. But the more newer versions of televisions are on the way. So this is one of the example. So the Japan person has invented the lickable screen to imitate the food flavors that we see on the TV, or the food flavors that we want. So, the leakable television concept developed in Japan will now allow viewers to taste food right from the screen. So, they can lick the screen and they can taste the flavor that they want. So, this is a very great invention, right? So, who did actually this invention? So, the person is a Japanese professor. He has developed a prototype lickable TV screen that will actually imitate the food flavors. This is another step towards creating a multi-sensory viewing experience. So, what is this multi-sensory viewing experience? So that this experience is nothing but you can directly taste. You can have the taste flavor of the food that you are watching on the television. So many times, what will happen when we watch some uh, kitchen shows or food shows in the TV? Will be very much tempted, and we wanted to taste that flavor that appears on the screen. So this TV provides that opportunity to taste. So how can the person will taste? So what is this device? How this device works? So the device is called as the taste the TV. Okay, the short form is TTTV. Okay, TQV. Uses a carousel. So carousel will be used in order to taste the flavor. So 10 flavor canisters that spray in the combination to create the taste of the particular food. So 10 canisters will be there. So 10 flavors will be sprayed in the various combinations to provide the taste of the particular food that you wanted to taste. So the flavor sample that rolls on the hygienic film over a flat TV surface for a viewer to try. So a hygienic film will be there on the TV screen. So this will be a flat screen. So you can taste the screen in order to taste the flavor that you wanted. So a demonstrator or a person who wanted taste the flavor will lick the screen of the taste the TV, a prototype lickable TV screen that can imitate the flavors of the various foods. So if you want to taste the ice cream or chocolate ice cream flavor, you can do the various combinations of those sprays and you can taste. So how much price it will be there? So if you observe the cost of this TTTV, so the cost will be around 100,000 yen. That is $875 in order to make this. So if we convert this into the Indian currency, so the TTTV will cost around 66,000 Indian rupees. So this is the cost of this TV. So you can purchase it if you want to taste. So this is a very great innovation. That is the reason I wanted to showcase the Global Innovation Index report also. So it's an annual ranking of the countries by their capacity and success in the innovation. So very with according to the success in the innovation field, they'll be given the rank. So it was actually started in 2007 by INSEAD, and World Business, a British magazine. So, who is the publisher of this report? World Intellectual Property Organization. Okay, so the frequency of this report will be annual. Okay, annually it will be released. So, if you see the global rankings of this particular thing, so if you observe the first three ranks, first one is the Switzerland. This is 2020 data. Okay, according to 2020 data, Switzerland is in the number one position, Sweden in the second, USA in the third. You can see in the top 20, India is not there. Okay, you can see China 12th position, Japan 13. Okay, so this is about rankings. Then what is the rank of India? If you see the rank of India, India actually rises in the Global Innovation Index 2021. So in the 2021, actually we have improved a lot in the innovation field. So India jumped 35 places from 81. Initially it was 81. Now it is 46. In within the 6 year span of time, we have improved a lot in terms of innovation. So 2015 it's 81, 2021 it's 46. So this is a very great improvement that we can observe. And India scores 46th in the Global Innovation Index 2021. So Niti Aayog, in partnership with the CII and WIPO, were hosting India launch of the Global Innovation Index 2021 and the CII Global Innovation Conclave during September 21-22 in the year 2021. So this was launched. Okay, this is all about the news. I hope you found this news interesting. Thank you for your listening. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, Jai Hind.